So what is the first thing what a gardener does when he comes back home from holidays? Even if it's 11 p.m. So he goes to check his garden. I didn't want because it was dark and I didn't see anything, but he went with a flashlight, and now it's my turn to go and see how the greenhouse looks like and all other plants. So lavender is quite well. Salad is dead. Oh no, a lot of spider work. Okay, let's see from here. Then this one is dead. Thymian, it's fine. On the back, mint is okay. This, I think, needs water. Up, could be better. And then those, not bad. Here we have more mint and more lavender. On this side, those are quite okay. And then those two are nice. I think. And the strawberries, oh my god, the strawberries are so nice. Look at those. Wow. And the lavender is good. I think this is the marigold. What is this? This wasn't like that when I left it. Okay. And here, dead, dying. Lime is getting new leaves, so this is, let's say, good. No. Ew, move away. Oh. This one is okay. Okay, the bushes are fine. Oh yeah, the bushes are very okay. So green. Rosemary is not the best. Rosemary is kind of dying. And here also bushes are okay. Okay, these two rosemaries kind of better. The wild strawberry is dying. And here this bush is also okay. So, well, it's fine, not too bad. Not too bad. And here strawberries are also okay. So this is that water system that Rokas made. So it worked well. Okay, well, some of them are dead, but some of them are doing pretty well. It's okay. Yeah, I'm okay with this.